go. So yesterday we learned how to do the autofill, no, in connecting, let's say, the first name and the last name. This time we're specifically going to, or well, specifically, aside from specifically, we're going to manually connect them using the concatenate function. There might be times wherein hindi magkatabi yung gusto natin i-connect, and autofill might not work. So might not, because I haven't exactly tried that. I would normally use concatenate for situations wherein I have to really connect parang ganito, no? Yung for this specific example, the last name and the first name plus a little bit more. And when I say a little bit more, pwede tayong maglagay ng comma, ng period, ng space. And aside from this, the concatenate function here will act pretty much like a quiz before we go to the next sheets that we have, the if, or, and not, the sum if, the nested if. Yan, lahat yan connected. So with that, let's start. No, so let's go to I4 equal sign. Now, there are two functions for concatenate. The concatenate, and makikita yung dalawa. So when I type concat, ayan, so dalawa sila lalabas, concat and concatenate. Concatenate is the original version of this function. Yung concat that you can see is the updated one. And it can apparently do more. However, hindi ko pa siya na-apply exactly into its maximum extent, simply because there's no much need for it. But for the purposes of this exercise, we are going to use concat. It is the same. And para mas maikli. Ayan. Anyways, equal sign concat, open parentheses. Every time you have a function, you need to type in an open and a close parentheses. So we'll start with an open one. Tapos it's asking for text one. So we are going to choose Heyman. Yan. G4, comma. And as you can see, yung text 2 natin, this again is optional. And everything else that we will be doing is optional na. Okay? And so next is H4. And that's it. No, very simple. Concat G4, comma, H4, close parentheses, enter. So yan, literally, kung ano yung laman ni G4 and ni H4, kino-combine niya. Okay? So let's do naman yung opposite. First name and last name naman tayo. Concat, open, first name, comma, last name, enter. Okay? This time, we are going to put in, or we're going to have a certain format. So we're going to do last name, comma, space, and then first name. So just like what we did yesterday, I think we started this in substitute. Kung ano yung kailangan natin palabasin doon sa cell, kailangan natin ilagay sa double quote. So this includes anything really, comma, space, period, and whatnot. Yan, maglalagay tayo ng double quote. Equal sign concat, open, last name, comma, double quote, comma, also the space, and then double quote again. Okay, and pansinin nyo to So G6 is text 1. And after nung comma, text 2 is this, yung laman ng double quote natin. So comma and space yan. Okay? Comma, and then the first name. Close, enter. So we have Jones, comma, Desmond. You guys get that? Yeah, thumbs up lang, suffice na. Good. Thank you, Jane. Yeah, Jasmine and Jen. Perfect. Okay, cool. So here's what we are going to do. What we want to do is have MX, period, space, the first letter of the first name, period, space, and then the last name. Now, do me a favor, guys. Put in your last name in here. I'll put Carlo for now. And then Poisson, Jollibee. Yan. Okay? So your last name and first name, and then sa huli, Tuazon Jollibee. Now, what we want to do is put the formula here, and then we'll be able to click and drag down. So our result should be this. Okay. MX, by the way, is a gender-neutral salutation, an alternate for Mr. or Miss when you write an email. Yeah. Now, so we are going to use concat, but which function did we learn yesterday to get the first letter of the first name? Anyone?
Left.
Left, ayan. So you can use the left function. So from here, we are also going to use an embedded function. Embedded meaning, dalawa yung function na gagamitin natin. So to start with, we are going to use concat. Tapos, after that, or within the concat function, we are also going to use left. Now, quick tip, when you use another function within a function, hindi nyo na kailangan maglagay ulit ng another equal sign sa loob ng function. So we're only going to use one equal sign dun sa concat, and then after, you're just going to type in the function tapos open parentheses na kagad. Okay? So go ahead and try it. Think about how you can get the MX muna. Yan, yun yung unang-una natin. And then after that, you'll use the left function to get the first name. Tapos, yan, period and space, and then connect the last name naman. Okay? And so more or less, this is how it's going to go today because there's a lot of processing power that we're going to need. And especially when we get to the nested if. Yan, unahin na natin yan for today. So go ahead, try it. Let me know once you have it. Please let me know, or actually message me na lang the formula once you guys are done. Okay? So I'll give you a few minutes to do that. How are we doing, guys? You have questions?
How many minutes are we given? At saka sa concatenate lang po ba?
We're only doing concatenate for now, yung last three. Few minutes. Really, I was just asking how you guys were doing. Do you need help? Or sige lang. You just need a little bit more time. So Jen shared her answer, and that's exactly what we are looking for. If you want to take a look at it, in fact, you know what? Sige, gamitin natin yan as an example. Hang on. Okay. So to do that, ito. So let me share the formula instead. Yan. So here, si Jen, she used concatenate instead of concat. Now, sige, baka nga, no, baka your version of Excel doesn't have concat. So you can use concatenate. It's the exact same thing anyways. But to display the MX, you will do this. Yan. Di ba? Anything that you put in the double quote, yan yung lalabas dyan. MX, period, space. Tapos to get the first letter of the first name, you use left. Okay, like that. So first letter lang yan, meaning dito kay Michelle Mabel, you get M. Tapos ito yung period and space before you get the last name naman. That one. Okay? So if you are mousing over that, ayan, lumalabas naman siya, di ba? Or if you highlight it, yan, lalabas dyan kung ano yung laman ni G7. And that's it really. That's basically what we need to do. Again, sa isa nyo lang siya gagawin. You'll need to be able to click and drag it down. Yan. To automate it. So again, we're always going to assume that there are hundreds of these or thousands pa nga that you might want to do here. Okay. So Jing, Jen, and Jasmine, do you guys have any other questions from here?
May, sir, for instance ba, for example, si left yung uunahin natin and then si concatenate sa loob. Same result kaya siya nun?
Hindi.
Or hindi siya?
Oo. Kasi if you use left muna,
Mm-mm.
depending on what you are going to put in dun sa
Mm-mm.
cell, dun sa left,
Mm-mm.
yun yung
Mm-mm.
mauuna.
Okay.
Yeah, tapos yung concatenate, iba yung magiging result niya kasi from within eh.
Mm-mm.
Yun. So ganun yung
Okay.
mangyayari. Kukunin mo muna yung first letter ng whatever using the
Mm-mm.
left and at saka siya magko-connect ng whatever using the
Okay.
concatenate. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Noted.
All right. Thanks, Jen. Sige. Oh, we're good na. Jasmine and Jing. Now, ito naman, this is more for the autofill exercise. We did a whole lot of autofill exercises yesterday. So ganito lang din, no? We're just going to type it in real quick. Jude, Heyman, yan, doon kay Lucy, L, enter. Yan, we're autofilling the first name and last name. And then, if you want to separate them, again, you just type the first names and the last names on the list. Simple. Okay? Yan. So there. But yeah, again, going back, thank you for the question. If you guys have anything else or clarification about what we're doing, please just let me know. If you want for me to go back, let me know lang. Let's keep that communication open. Okay? Okay. Now, the last three here, these are straightforward functions. So these are proper, upper, and lower. Ano naman yung ginagawa ni proper? If you have everything in lowercase, if you have everything in uppercase like that, you can use the proper function to make it into proper name, meaning the first letter of each name or word will be capitalized, just like this. Yan. So kino-convert niya, again, the first letter of each name into uppercase. Okay? Now, equal sign upper, if you want everything in uppercase. So I think ito nasabi to ni Jasmine yesterday, no, na kung merong shortcut. I haven't done my research just yet kung merong F function shortcut to do everything in uppercase or lowercase. In Word, however, excuse me, when you right-click a word, you can change the format to uppercase or lowercase. Kay Excel kasi, you have to manually do it, meaning you have to use a function like upper to change it everything to uppercase or everything naman to lowercase. Yan. Okay? So there. Yun yung, again, the concat here, the way we did our embedded functions. This is our mini quiz, no, in preparation for our if, or, and not, sum if, count if, and nested if sheets pa. With that, so we are done with this specific sheet here, trim, lens, sub, left, right, mid.
All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.